So, good evening everyone, and we are here at Muceno. It is their opening today, and we are here at Henson subdivision or Hensonville, Angeles City. It is the opening of Muceno, and as you can see inside, it is again a food park here at Angeles City, and it is newly open. And there are different variety of food stalls inside. So the feels lang ng the yard ng Angeles City. And para siyang to compare ang the yard ng Saverville and sa may Quezon City. So they have food truck, they have plenty of stalls inside. So from Japanese, there is Mexican, there is like gelato, and you know, there are like Tokyo Tempura and a lot more. So you guys, check it out here at Hensonville, Angeles City. If you wanted to have another new level of food trip, and alam ko yung mga Kapampangan sobrang love kumain. So this is a perfect place for you guys. So later makikita nyo pa yung kung anong itsura ng dining and the vibe here at Muceno. Cone culture. Freak cone. Kasi meron siyang marshmallows. Meron siyang muffin. Munchkin. And cheesecake bars. And topped with blueberry. And of course, wafer. Stico. Kanina umorder ko ng cone couture and nung wagyu. Ayan, masarap naman siya. Ayan, syempre masarap sila. And the cone culture. Ayan pa, culture pala yun. Okay, yun yung in-order namin dito kasi busog pa kami and we just passed by. Talagang I guess it's masaya, pero it's already like past 10 already, so it's there. We're so #blessed kasi Ayan, open pa sila. So, you guys, check it out this place. This is the newest craze here at Angeles City. And I'll see you then. My name is Ishie of New Media Philippines.